I worked on my feet for most of my life. I was a very active mom. I also had a house with a lot of stairs, so I was up and down them. And by the time I had my surgery, I was in a lot of pain. I couldn't bend. Walking for more than 30 minutes was excruciating, especially in certain types of shoes. But now I've had both knees done with Dr. Greene, and I feel fabulous. Hi, my name is Judy, and I had a partial knee replacement with Dr. Greene, and I am feeling great. Back in 2019, I met Dr. Greene because of the pain. We went through some procedures with shots before we rushed into the knee replacement. In my case, I only needed partials on both knees. But when I went into the office, he was very professional, and I could tell that he was very knowledgeable in his field. And I just left knowing that I would be okay with him, that he was going to be able to take care of everything and get rid of my pain. During the surgery, before the surgery, in the hospital, he was very accommodating, took care of me. I highly recommend Dr. Greene.